Hey folks, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
So I am making an AquaCast box.
Okay.
So I got this mould from Temu and I really liked it. And I thought, I'm going to make it. And I know that we're supposed to be doing like super Christmassy things, but I actually thought this would be quite a nice little gift for someone. So I went for it.
You went for it?
I did.
You just went for it?
I just did it. I was like, I'm just going to make it because I like it. So I mixed up some AquaCast and then I popped in some red, I think it's ruby red pigment from Homeware design. And then I did the stirry thing that you do when you want to create a nice marble effect because that's what I wanted. I thought, you know, red is a Christmassy colour.
It is.
So let's do that.
Okay. So that's looking like Raspberry Ripple to me at the minute.
I knew you were going to say that. You've just got a thing about Raspberry Ripple, haven't you?
You've got a thing about making Raspberry Ripple.
Well, maybe. Maybe we should just get some Raspberry Ripple ice cream.
Ooh.
Anyway, so as you can see, when you put the AquaCast in, it completely bulges out the mould. Now, this was a shock to me because the mould came with this little housing to keep it all nice and...
And this is from Temu?
Yeah, nice and tidy.
Wow.
And I thought, oh, that's a bit of a quality mould, isn't it?
Someone's actually put some thought and effort into it.
Yeah. So I did the usual amount of tapping that you're supposed to do. And then, of course, I didn't make enough for the lid as well. But not a problem because what I did is I poured what I had into it and then I just kind of smushed it around the edges so that it was fine. And then I went off and I just topped it up with a little bit more, which you don't need to see because you've already seen me mix some and do all the things.
Rinse and repeat.
So it was, yeah, literally rinse and repeat. Now, getting this thingamajiggy off was quite...
Now, if you got a little bit of overpour there, why didn't you just do it straight down the bottom?
Because I wanted to bring it up.
Okay.
Don't be so picky.
Oh, I was just asking. Because you were struggling a little bit.
I was. So I took out the lid. And I did struggle a little bit, if I'm honest. But I think I was having a bad hand day. But, you know, it is. It is what it is.
It is what it is.
And I was like, oh, that's really pretty.
That looks really nice.
I really liked it. I was like, I'm quite impressed with that. I was very, very chuffed. It looked very pretty.
Put some eyes on that. It looked like a little woodlouse.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's where you're going.
That's where I went.
That's where you go. Honestly. You're just wrong.
Why?
It's just not right.
I was just thinking of...
I still haven't forgiven you for Santa's budgie smugglers, so let's not go there.
What's wrong with Santa? He's got to wear something.
What's wrong with Santa? Where to begin? You traumatized children.
I did.
Yeah.
I did.
Well,
I am trying to feel bad about that.
You're not doing a good job of it, if I'm honest. When I told you that was... We had a comment on our last video that said that he traumatized a child, and Kirk's reaction was, yes! And I just thought, oh, honestly, questioning my life choices right now. Anyway, this is the demold, and it is beautiful.
It does look really nice.
Do you know, this would make, if I was a candle maker, this would make an absolutely perfect little candle jar.
That would be cool, actually.
It would be really cool.
Because you can have like 2 or 3 wicks in there.
Yeah, I thought that would be so fantastic, but I am not a candle maker. I have never made candles. Maybe in the new year, I will have a go at it. What do you reckon?
I think it'd be interesting, yeah.
Because I love a candle.
You do?
I do like candles, so maybe I should have a go. But what do you think? Should I have a go at candles? Anyway, I ummed and ahed about it for a while because I was like, what am I going to do with it? It's just really pretty. It was just a nice... You know, like sometimes you buy a mould and you've got no idea what you're going to do with it.
You mean like most of the ones you buy?
Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. Yeah. I was like, yeah, I really like it. So I decided that what I was going to do was let it dry for a little bit as you do with AquaCast. And then I thought a nice little decal on that sort of that top part.
Yeah.
Which I did.
Oh.
But before I put that on, I thought, you know what? I'm not feeling too steady today. So I just surrounded it with a bit of latex. Because what I didn't want to do is put resin on that middle sort of rectangle part and then find that it all drips down and completely ruins the piece.
So that's for the top coat?
This is for, so that there's like that rectangle in the centre, isn't there?
Yeah.
So I wanted to put a decal on there. And when I put decals, not UV DTS, when I put decals on to AquaCast, I do put a little resin top coat.
Just to protect it.
Technically you don't need to, but I just think it looks nicer.
Yeah.
So I went round this area with latex because I know some people can do it without latex and they are fantastic. I am not one of those people.
Yes.
I put a top coat on something, it goes everywhere.
I know. I'm just looking at your desk. It has gone everywhere.
Yeah. Let's not talk about that. That's a whole different video. So while I was waiting for the latex to dry, I just popped on some feet because I like to put these little cork feet on all of my pieces.
Yeah.
And then I took some of this Roost Point Remedies wax because I can't get hold of the Clarks anymore. So I've given up on that.
Oh.
I've given up on the nice smelling Clarks.
Why did you put the feet on and then wax it? Did you have to wax around the feet?
Yeah, but they're on the bottom, so I don't really care.
Yeah, but you wax the bottom though, didn't you?
I put a smidgen on the bottom.
I was just wondering why.
I don't put a lot on the bottom. If it's somewhere if it's going somewhere that needs, like if it was going in a bathroom,
yeah,
I wouldn't have waxed it. I'd have actually sealed it with the Hydro Seal.
Right. Okay.
But because this is just going to be a sort of decorative box somewhere, I just waxed everywhere and I waxed around the feet.
My other question,
yes,
is again, why did you do the latex first before the waxing?
Because I wax the whole lid after I've resined it.
Right, okay.
I don't wax the lid at all until I've resined it.
Okay. So you don't wax it, put the decal on, and then put the top coat?
No, I put the decal on.
Yeah.
Then I put the top coat, and then I wax it.
Okay.
Yeah. Is that okay?
I was just wondering why you did it that way. That's all. It was more of a curiosity than a.
I don't know if there's a proper way to do it, and I don't know if I do it the right way or the wrong way, but that's the way I do it, and I'm happy in my decisions.
Okay. Yeah.
Is there anything else I can help you with at this moment in time?
Not at this moment, but I'm sure something else will pop up.
Well, if you do have any further questions, please feel free to open a support ticket, and I'll be back to you in about 3 working days.
Uh-huh.
Oh, anyway. So I got some, this is metallic chrome TechWrap that I've had. I bought a pack when we very first got a Cricut, so a couple of years ago, and I've got little tiny pieces of it left. So I've been using it to make little decals on.
So the TechWrap is the one you like?
Oh, I love TechWrap. TechWrap is amazing. It's the only one that I can just weed. The other stuff, I don't. I
so
struggle
you've put
with.
on there, open in case of doubt.
Yep.
So what's going to be inside?
So what I thought would be, what I thought it could be used for is what they call with the new year coming.
Yeah.
Lots of people seem to be having what they call affirmation boxes. So you put in it loads of positive vibe phrases or sayings or things like that. And then when you're having a wobbly day, you open it and you open up these affirmations and it's supposed to make you feel better.
Okay.
So
that's cool.
Yeah. And I thought, yeah, that's quite a nice little idea.
Yeah.
For someone
who's
having a bad day. So I put the decal on. covered it with some UV, and I used the resin as UV, as you saw, and because that's really good stuff. It is really good. Yeah, I quite like it. But again, I'm not au fait with the major differences. I can tell you if I like it, but I wouldn't be able to do a blind test on something and know which one it was.
I can tell if it's thicker and that, but apart from that I have not got a clue.
So I have got a video coming up where I'm going to compare all the different UVs.
That'd be useful.
Because I want to do it for my own peace of mind. And I thought I might as well film it because someone else might be interested in it. So that's one of our January videos that we're planning. I would like to say have done, but I haven't because we're very behind at the moment with our videos. But
and then a little sticker. I
put a little sticker on with our QR code because I wasn't sure if I was going to sell this or give it away or what. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. But that's how I finish my pieces. I put a little QR code sticker. And there is the finished piece.
Raspberry Ripple tray.
A Raspberry Ripple Christmas colour affirmation box, which I really like. I really do like it.
No, I think it's cool.
I did a little thing.
You did.
It wasn't a big thing. It was a little thing. And sometimes little things make me happy. Well, I'm with Kirk, so there you go. If you like our creative sort of chaos, please do feel free to hit that like button.
And while you're down there, why not give the subscribe a little buff as well?
And if you already have,
thank you very much.
And on that note, hopefully we will see you in the next one.
Yes.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.